For the greetings, malibre ang tigloan ka, munisipyo at party para anak. Thank you very much, Mayor Awinan. Thank you. Mayak lawa, sapat ako. Betul yang sapa sa sigat namin, pahad ni Aghapa. Good morning to each and everyone. Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. First, to our Congressman Eric Yap, who sacrifices time to be with us today in this Strawberry Festival 2026. To our guest speaker, Senator Ernie Tulfo. Of course, to the Municipal Mayor of La Trinidad, we have Mayor Roderick Awinan, the Sangguniang Bayan members, headed by Vice Mayor Attorney Giliel Garwan, and every Sangguniang Bayan members. Of course, to the previous officials have been mentioned by Mayor Awinan a while ago, awan kayo at hanga kastoy nga kapintas sila Trinidad. Parakpakan tayo dito previous officials sila Trinidad. Of course, all of the national agencies, amin of course the schools, DepEd and CHED, amin tayo. Of course, my co-provincial officials, sa dada dito, full force na dito yung may ang pamulo na tutulad na to show support to this 2026 Strawberry Festival. Of course, we have the visitors from international, we have the Guam Party, and of course from Guagua, Pampanga, local sister towns, and of course the international sister towns. Thank you very much for attending also this activity. First is to congratulate, of course, the people of La Trinidad for this Strawberry Festival 2026. Of course, this is to promote, to strengthen our culture, our tourism, and of course, economy, as mentioned by Mayor Awinan a while ago. But it's not only that. It is also to strengthen our relationship as brothers and sisters in the municipality of La Trinidad. We need to strengthen also our relationship with our sister town, international and local. With this strengthening of our relationship, at titinulong tayo tapos ipintas tayo ng kumati, munisipyo o probinsya tayo mabigyan. Secondly is to congratulate our municipal officials from the municipal to the barangays. Nakita tayo na napintas na naramitin lang na maniman-manihar yung munisipyo pila Trinidad. To maintain La Trinidad as united and healthy of La Trinidad, progressive in a peaceful community. So palakpakan tayo nagiging officialis pila Trinidad. Nakaksyon to palakpak. Thank you very much the municipality of La Trinidad. And lastly, I would like to share some programs of the national and the provincial government to align with the municipalities' programs. Of course, our congressman is funding our schools, almost 36 schools in the province. So, salamat ako, congressman. And of course, including the university, College of Medicine and the BSU. So, salamat kayo. For our provincial, our Benguet General Hospital, so we are expanding our building. So we're on the way of construction of 150 million building as expansion building to be called as the cancer center for Benguet General Hospital. Others, we're also constructing dialysis center in every district hospitals. We have 5 district hospitals, and on the way we have already 2 district hospitals with dialysis centers. So dahil kaya po, kaya kayo nga maramibin, dito yung probinsya kayo Benguet, i-asidad, dito yung servisyo, nga pang-pisikal, ano po natin, mga health services, amin na munisipyo, awan ko natin mabati. So, that's all, and congratulations to the municipality of La Trinidad. Happy 2026 Strawberry Festival. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much, Honorable Governor Melchor de Clas. Please, sir, stay close at crowd. Thank you once again for your unwavering and continuous support, sir. At this juncture, may we call on the municipal mayor, vice mayor, and the rest of the Sangguniang Bayan members of La Trinidad to award our simple token as our guest of our appreciation. Once again, thank you, Honorable Melchor de Clas, for your unwavering and continuous support to the municipality of La Trinidad.